Dive deeper into your reports using the new Advanced Dashboard Filtering option. By selecting and applying specific filters tailored to your exact needs, you can get control of your data analysis. We know flexibility is crucial, so alongside our existing filters for user, team, date range, and deal pipeline, we're introducing custom filters. These custom filters empower you to focus on the data that matters most to you. Let's get started. Access the Plus Quick Filter option on your preferred dashboard. Our system offers pre-configured filters for user, team, and date range. Selecting one will instantly refine your data. For in-depth analysis, click Customize Quick Filter to see a list of available modules based on your dashboard widgets. For example, to assess team performance, select Team, Date Range, Source, Tags and Win Probability from the available fields to create custom filters. Enter the desired values and your filters will be activated, refining your dashboard view accordingly. Please note that you can apply up to 5 quick filters simultaneously. To access additional filters, click the Filters option on the right side of your dashboard. Your quick filter values will auto-populate here with the selected and/or component, which you can adjust as needed. To refine your results further, click Add Filters. For instance, to find deals owned by a specific user, select the owner field from the drop-down and choose the desired owner. You can apply multiple filters this way. When emailing your dashboard, select which filters to include. You can use existing quick filters, modify them, or configure advanced filters. To remove quick filters, simply uncheck them. And for custom filters that are no longer relevant, you can delete them. Please note that the default filters cannot be deleted from the list. Maximize your dashboard's effectiveness by leveraging these filtering options.